Okay, so time for the upper rad hose. Very simple again. One there. And one there. And of course you got your bracket there, and I'm going to put some corrugated in there as well. This is the hose I got. Daco. That's the part number. 71180. And it looks like it's a perfect fit. So you can see there, that's why I'm replacing this hose. If your hose looks like that, you can tell that's been swollen, and almost looks like it's starting some surface cracking. Just replace it. Don't play around with it. So we'll get this new one in. So I was going to try and put a piece of corrugated in there, but that's got nice rolled edges. It's designed for a rad hose, so I'm not going to worry about it. So I'm just going to boil some water, and that's how I've always done it. Get the hose hot, tighten down the clamps, and we'll be done. I'm sure not crazy about that throttle cable routing, but I've looked at it and I've looked it up, and that's how it goes. So not much I can do about it, I guess. I just don't like it. But anyway, that's the way they designed it, so they must have designed it that way for a reason. So we're tightened down, and that's it. Nothing to it. Very easy job, very basic. Shouldn't take you too long. Later.